This dynamic stretch is really good for the hips and the hamstrings and sometimes even the shoulders as well and your low back. So if you spend a lot of time deadlifting and squatting, you're going to really like this. You're going to also feel tightness at different spots of this stretch. So when you are feeling really tight and a really good stretch, slowly ease into it so you don't hurt yourself, but also spend that time in that moment. You don't have to go through this motion very quickly. You want to take your time at each step. So we're going to start in a straight arm plank position. We're going to go into a pike, focusing on pushing our heels as close to the floor as possible and getting our hamstring stretch and calf stretch and also our ankles. Then when you lower your hips, you're going to move your hands a little bit closer together and you're going to bring one foot up near your hands. You may have to kind of inch your foot to get that far, and this may even be a really good stretch for you. So sit there before you lower your back knee. Once you lower your back knee, then you're going to take the hand that's right next to your front leg and you're going to do what is like a windmill. You're going to open it up. You're going to twist your lower body, trying to get some rotation in that low back. Then we're going to do it on the other side. So you're going to go back into your pike, really getting those heels close to the floor. Bring your foot up by your hand, stretch, lower your back knee, twist open, then bring that foot back. And you're going to repeat on each side. So you are going to alternate each side. So one more time, we're going to go pike, bring our foot up, stretch our hips, lower the back knee, open up that low back, really twist, trying to get as much movement from our low back instead of our hips. Try not to shift our hips. And then you're going to bring the arm back down, push that foot back, and then go to the other side.